Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sabneet. You are looking channel Technical Boy Delhi. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Play Store apps on your laptop and system or PC. Now click on Download. Now double-click to run the program. Now click on Install. Now click Accept. Installation will be starting. Then click Start. Sign into your account. Once we log in with Google, we can install Google Play Store apps on our PC. Click on App Center to install Google Play app. Open any app to access Google Play Store apps. Search here app which you want to download. We can install app though APK file. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment.